Hello, Robonauts, and welcome to our Coding for Success series. In this series, we want to cover a whole host of topics, things like how to read documents, how to help with infrastructure, different project ideas, latest features. We want to cover a lot of things that are going to be helpful and useful to you in your Robocorp RPA journey. This series will be hosted by myself and several of my colleagues. We hope you enjoy the series, and good luck automating the boring stuff.
Robocorp, where the world comes together to automate.